Hello, friends. I hope everyone is safe and enjoying trading in the market. So, in last week option writing plan, I have updated about the two levels. One was 15,000 and in upside and 14,400 on lower side. And today was the expiry and market had expired in this range. As we can see that the premiums are zero, but if we see that in 2 days back on 18th May, market had closed below these 15,000 by a gap up, and we had to close that position. So unfortunately, our stop loss got hit, and we had booked loss in our trading plan, and the loss would be around 2 to 3,000 rupees per lot, depending on at what time you have exited the position. So loss is a part of the game in a trading business, and it will happen. But we should continue with a plan which is working for a long time in the market. And before starting with the next week analysis for option writing plan, so you guys can hit the subscribe button and also hit this bell icon to get notified for any videos that we upload in the future. So let's start with the plan. So this was the plan. As we can see, the resistance is at 15,000 and support is at 14,400, and stop loss got hit. So for next week, probably we will be taking our new plan as this is the pivot resistance that we can see currently. So this is at 15,336. So we will be considering the rounding off. So resistance we can consider is 15,350 in this case, and support for this can be again this 14,599 591, and it is closer to the support we can consider is 14,600. So so our plan for the next week would be to write options, call options above 15,350, and write put options below 14,600. So let's start and see what's the premium for tomorrow. So I'm removing all the premiums of last week, current week. So Nifty 15,350 call for next week. Yeah, 15, 14,600 put. Yes, 14. So we will be hedging our position as discussed by buying 200 points above call and 200 points below put. So we'll be buying this position to hedge for the overnight risk that we will have in our position. So we'll be buying 15,550 call and 14,400 put. So as you can see the premiums in the for the next week expiry. So we will be executing this trading plan tomorrow, and let's have a look at the payoff chart of this options. Yeah, so I'm using a Opstra platform for analyzing the payoff. So 15,350 call, sell, 550 call. I am hedging the position. 14,600 put, sell, 1,400 put, buy for hedging our position that we have short in 14,600 put. So as you can see, there is a discrepancy, but that's fine. So we will be taking this position, and the probability of profit is 69.4%. Maximum profit is defined 2.4 thousand. Maximum loss is also defined minus 12.5k. And in this case also, we will be exiting our position if Nifty closes above this resistance 15,350, or Nifty closes below this support 14,600, closes below or closes above. So we will be waiting for 325 and check what level Nifty is, and if it breaches any of this level, we will be closing all the position in that case. So this would be a trading plan for next week expiry, and we will be executing this trade tomorrow on Friday, and we will be checking whether our stop loss is hit. If it is not hit, then we'll be exiting our position on Thursday by 325. So thank you guys. If you are liking our content and if you want update on stocks also, stock charts, or so you can follow me on Twitter. So my Twitter ID is ymeta_, and I am regularly updating about the chart. If there is some breakout happening, some trade for investment, anything, I'm updating it on Twitter live. And also there is a disclaimer with this video. So we are not SEBI registered, hence consult a financial advisor before taking any trades based on the analysis shared in this video. This video is for only for learning purpose, and we are not responsible for the profit and loss that you incur on the trade that you take. Thank you guys.